So I'm ill prepared for this. Layla, Layla, come here. Today, I'm not so sure. Good morning, everyone. It is chilly morning. I think it's about 48 degrees right now, but it'll warm up pretty quickly. I've got Layla with me and little Suna. You guys don't know her, but she's my boyfriend's new little puppy. This is her first time on the AT. She's a little nervous, but she's doing good. We are going from Neal's Gap to Laurel Top. I think it's about 3 miles. So probably a total of 6 miles today. But feels so good to be up here. I miss the mountains. We are almost to the top of the first incline, just about a mile over, and I realized it's actually 39 degrees, feels like 34, so I am ill prepared for this. This always happens to me. But look at how, I'm so glad I came out today. The air feels so good. Honestly, the temperature's not that bad at all. But we are on our way to Laurel. And I think it's going to be closer to 4 miles than 3. When I was looking at the navigation, there's no like thing on all trails for just this little section that I'm trying to do. So I had to like do the math and figure it out for myself. But feels good. There's a lot of through hikers right here right now. Welcome to Laurel Top. Last time I was up here, I came from the other direction where Cow Rock, Tesnati Gap and Hogpen Gap are at. This time I came from Neal's Gap, which was about 4.2 miles straight up, but we made it. And little puppy here did her first Appalachian Trail hike. There were multiple times throughout this hike that I was like, Layla, come here. Good girl. That I was just like, I am tired. Should probably go home. This is taking too long. Assume is gonna be too tired. Or we should just turn around. Or, okay, I just won't go up this last incline. But I'm really proud of myself for just pushing through it and going to exactly where we wanted to go, because if I didn't do that, I honestly wouldn't feel like I had truly done the full Georgia section of the Appalachian Trail. I feel like I would have cheated a little bit, so I'm really glad that I did that. I am tired, so we are going to rest up here a little bit and then head back to the car. Another 4 miles back. Honestly, none of the inclines were really that bad, although I do feel like one incline on the way back is going to be bad, but we just gotta get through that, and then it's pretty much just smooth sailing after that, so yeah. What you think? You good girl? You love it. This is your favorite place, isn't it? You love being up here just like your mama. Yeah. Seeing all of these beginner through hikers, and they're like bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, and they're so excited for the rest of their journey, and like having watched so many other people on YouTube like go through it, just makes me so excited for when I do it. And you know, it kind of sucks right now because this time last year I was like, I'm gonna start the Appalachian Trail in spring of 2023. Today, I'm not so sure, because I don't know where life's gonna take me, and that might mean that I won't have time for the Appalachian Trail next year, because, you know, I'm wanting to make a lot of life changes right now, and so I don't know if it will be the right time to do the Appalachian Trail, but I know that I will do it for sure one day, whether it's next year or, you know, 10 years from now, I will do it. And I'm so excited for that journey. Obviously you can tell that I'm going to do it, because I wouldn't be out here right now and trying to do the Georgia section if I wasn't reaching to do the whole thing one day. Anyway. Am I gonna have to carry you? You ready to go back home? You tired? Ugh. Come on, let's go. Good girls.